Georgia, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Campbellton to near Powers Crossroads, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newton, Fayetteville, Jonesboro, Peachtree City, Stockbridge, Union City, Riverdale, Fairburn, Tyrone, Lovejoy, Palmetto, Sonoy, Grantsville, Mothersville, Brooks, Centralhatchee, Moreland, Sharpsburg, Turin, and Harrelson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Significant